हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. क्या है? फाइंड द एंगल बिटवीन द x axis and the line joining the points 3 minus 1 and 4 minus 2. So just for clarity, see the picture and see the figure here. Let L is the line which passes through the point A 3 minus 1 and B 4 minus 2. For the reference I have taken the point in exact position. ठीक है? And let this line makes an angle theta with positive x axis. So हमें क्या पता करना है? Find the angle between the line and the x axis, means we have to find this angle theta. ठीक है? So let the line L passes through the points A 3 minus 1 and B 4 minus 2. ठीक है? A 3 minus 1 and B 4 minus 2 से पास हो रही है and makes an angle theta with positive x axis. ठीक है? Then slope of this line L be what? Hence slope of line L equal to tan theta. This is equation 1. Also, since L passes through two given points, so its slope will be equal to difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate. Also, line L passes through two given points A 3 minus 1 and B 4 minus 2. Hence, slope of L in this case, difference of y coordinate by difference of x coordinate equal to minus 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 3. ठीक है? y minus 2 minus minus 1 में plus 1 हो जाएगा by 4 minus 3. That will be equal to minus 1 by 1 equal to minus 1. Hence, slope of L in this case is minus 1. This is equation 2. Now 1 and 2 both gives the slope of line L. Hence from 1 and 2 क्या होगा? Hence from 1 and 2, 1 में क्या है? tan theta equal to minus 1, that is minus tan 45 degree. Its value will be equal to tan 180 minus 45 degree, or tan theta equal to tan 135 degree, or थीटा इक्वल टू 135 डिग्री. ठीक है? सो थीटा की वैल्यू हमें मालूम हो गई जो हमें निकालना था. हेंस एंगल बिटवीन, हेंस रिक्वायर्ड एंगल इक्वल टू 135 डिग्री. ठीक है? सो नोट करो, मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. ओके, बाय.